Uptown Swing.
Oh boy.
Level 1, 8 count. I got a minute.
Did you guys hear that? I'm Stacia, that's Peter, and if you didn't hear it, this is level 1, 8 count.
Exactly. Great job. You guys crushed it today. We worked on swing outs and circles.
Yay.
Here's how to swing out in a circle. Look. Step, step, triple step, 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 triple step, 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 triple step, 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 triple step. And that's it. Just kidding. We had some more things to say. We built it up like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. And if you remember at the end of class, we talked about not stopping. You can keep things going. It makes a big, big difference. And we turn all the way around. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn, turn. We're going to face each other at the end. For the followers, Stacia.
For the followers, I'm less concerned with where my destination is and more concerned with stepping directly underneath wherever my torso is, on beat, keeping the pulse going. That's the main thing I'm thinking about.
It's about the journey.
The journey, not the destination.
And the torso. So when we're doing this, again, I'm just trying to center that way, and I'm trying to get myself ready for the next one. Mm-hmm. Step, step, triple step, step, step. I'm getting ready. I'll do another one. The other thing we showed you was glide to the side. We'll show it like this. We did a half swing out, and then we glide to the side, and then we glide to the side, That's it for now. We'll do a whole bunch more next week. Excellent job, everybody.